Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this simple rice pudding recipe. It is so delicious and you only need a few ingredients. So let's get started. You will need 1.5 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, 1 to 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cans of evaporated milk, and they are 12 ounces each, and 2 cinnamon sticks. In a large pan, add your rice, water, and cinnamon sticks. Boil for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat, making sure you stir occasionally. After 15 minutes, your rice should be cooked. You will notice your water reduced a little bit, and that's okay. Now you will add the sweetened condensed milk and the 2 cans of carnation milk. Now give it a quick mix to incorporate all ingredients. At this point, it's your personal preference. If you like a thicker consistency, then leave as is. If you want it more runny, then go ahead and add another cup of milk. Just keep in mind that as it's cooling, it will reduce the liquid. In a medium-low heat, you will bring to a boil for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want to make sure you stir occasionally because it will stick to the bottom. So once boiled, go ahead and turn it off, and now it's ready to serve. And there you have it, this super simple, delicious, creamy rice pudding. I like to serve mine in a mug and sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder. You could also add other toppings like raisins, shredded coconut, nuts. It's really up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to show me some love by liking and commenting. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.